Assalamu alaikum students. Today we'll just go through the chapter animals and their diet for revision of assessment. The objectives are: why do animals have teeth? Obviously, why we have teeth and why animals have teeth: to take food or to bite the food, to chew the food, to hold the food. Meat eaters, plant eaters, and why teeth are different in shapes, because the variety of their food is different, so they have different types of shape. Animals and their diet. Animals use their teeth for holding food, cutting food, chewing food. We can tell what an animal eats by looking at their teeth. How? For example, this is hook shaped, and the frontal teeth, that is incisors, they use it for biting of the food, and they have very strong teeth. Two types of eaters we have: meat eaters and plant eaters, with the help of which we can find out that animals eat which kind of food item. Meat eaters. Animals that eat other animals are called meat eaters, like lion, tiger, cheetah, leopard, wolf, fox. All of these wild animals, they are meat eaters. They eat meat. Meat eaters have unique canines which help them to attack on prey. I have already told you about predators and prey. That predator that attack on the other animals, and the prey on which you are attacking. Long canines. They are hooked long canine teeth through which they attack on prey. Curved canines, then hooked canines. These three types of canine teeth help the animals to attack on prey. Which animals? Meat eaters. Incisors of meat eater animals help them to chop up the food and scrap the flesh of bones. In the picture, it's very clear that they just they chop up the food, or they scrap the flesh of bones. They remove the skin of the animal. Molars of meat eater animals, they have sharp edges. Why? For cutting up meat and for crushing bones. So lion and tiger, they all have sharp edges for cutting up meat and crushing the bones. Plant eaters, animals that feed on plants, like horse, cow, buffalo, goat, zebra, giraffe, panda. They all are plant eating animals because they depend on plants. These animals grind their food by using their teeth. They don't need to attack on their prey. They don't need to crush the bones. They just chew the food. So first of all, they have to grind the food material. Like in the picture, you can see that elephant is chewing the food material. Cattle, giraffe, and deer. Next point of this chapter or this topic is growing teeth. So teeth are very important for every meat eater and plant eater, because without teeth we can't chew, or we can't attack on the prey. Human teeth. First of all, talk about the humans. Human teeth stop growing when we are adult, and we have 32 teeth. Some animals have teeth that grow all the time. They are not talking about human beings, they are talking about some animals, because our teeth stop growing when we are adult. But some animals have teeth that grow all the time. Plant eaters have premolars and molars that grow all the time. Incisors of rabbit, mice and rats grow all the time. The first one is rabbit, mice and rats, and they look very long. Their front teeth grow so long that they cannot close their mouth if they don't chew hard food. So hard food is very necessary for them to chew, like nuts, because if they don't chew the hard food, their front teeth will be very long. So it's very important for them to take the hard food, like squirrels. Example is squirrels eat hard nuts to wear down their incisors, which grow all the time. Welcome students. Now we are going to revise the worksheet of animals and their diet. First question is, complete the following statements. Meat eaters use their teeth to attack prey. Meat eaters use their incisors to chop up food. Meat eaters have sharp edges for cutting up meat. Many animals have teeth for holding, cutting and chewing food. State whether the statements are true or false. Molars and premolars of meat eaters grow all the time. False. Human teeth stop growing when we are young. True. The incisors of rabbit, mice and rats grow all the time. True. Squirrels eat soft food. False. Match the columns to complete the following statements. Teeth have two sets, like milk and adult teeth. Molars and premolars of plant eaters grow all the time. Incisors of rabbit, mice grow all the time. Squirrels eat hard nuts. Put animals in the column given below, where M stands for animals that eat meat and P stands for animals that eat plants. Rabbit, plant eater. Fox, meat eater. Lion, meat eater. Deer, plant eater. Wolf, meat eater. Zebra, plant eater. Sheep, plant eater. Dog, meat eater. Cow, plant eater. Tiger, meat eaters. Answer the following questions. Why do animals use their teeth? Animals use their teeth for holding, cutting and chewing food. What type of canine teeth do meat eaters have? Meat eaters have long, hooked and curved canine teeth. When human teeth stop growing? Human teeth stop growing when we are adult. Which animals have incisors growing throughout their life? Incisors of rabbit, mice and rats grow throughout their lives. Name the animals in which molars and premolars grow all the time. So you have to write plant eaters. like cow, buffalo, goat. Label the given diagram. So the first one is, the upper one is a flat horny pad. At the back they are molars and premolars, and the down one they are incisors.